Hi guys, I want to talk to you about the Bitcoin price action today. We saw the markets really take a nosedive this morning, early this morning. Some people say it was because of the China FUD, that is, China's renewed interest in cracking down on cryptocurrencies. We saw a drop since Friday of $400 billion off the value of the total digital currency market, the total crypto market. Bitcoin and all the cryptos today was hit pretty hard. Basically, the People's Bank of China urged all financial institutions not to provide services related to crypto activities. I thought maybe they did this back in 2017. I know they kicked out all the exchanges and they tried to crack down on cryptocurrency in China in 2017. Apparently they're just doing it again, or maybe this is a strengthening, but this is new. China's Sichuan province, they were ordered, the crypto miners, to shut down their operations, and this is particularly interesting because the Sichuan province is not one of these coal mining electric producing regions. That they have clean energy there, and so basically this is a crackdown on all the Bitcoin mining in China, not just the bad actors, but across the board. So this was predictable, and I'm glad to see it coming sooner rather than later. But as a result, we did see a nosedive in the markets. I want to take a look at the Bitcoin chart very quickly. Take a notice that we revisited this low, this selling climax that we had on May the 19th, and today we actually broke under it. Today the low was 28,805, so we actually broke below the 29,000 that we visited on during the selling climax. I want to take a look briefly at the Wyckoff method. And if you really think that Bitcoin is following the Wyckoff method, then this is very good news for Bitcoin. Because the selling climax, we see this establishes a line of support, and then it bounces in a particular range, and then in phase C, after it goes through some accumulation here in phase B, bouncing in this kind of sideways pattern, what we see is a bounce to the downside. We see it breaking the support line. We see it testing by going below the selling climax, only to spring back up. And when it springs back up, it takes off to the upside. So if that's what's going on in this Bitcoin chart, then we saw the spring just happen. And I hope that this is one of the places where you can enter the market right here in this spring. A good place to enter. And I bought some Bitcoin this morning at this 20 in the 20s, 28,000, something like that. And hopefully we'll see it. But in order for it to confirm that it is going to spring, it really has to break this resistance level at 41,600, which is currently the 200-day moving average for Bitcoin on the daily chart. So if it breaks above this level, that's another time to enter. At these points here, they like to see it break above that level and then break below that level and then buy right as it breaks out and going on the way up again. Because this marks a breakout and of the accumulation back up to distribution stage in the Wyckoff pattern. So it could be good news if this was the selling climax, and we could be heading back up according to the Wyckoff method, if that is indeed the method that you're following and putting your money into. But right now we haven't seen on the 4-hour chart a consistent breakup yet. That is, it's still trending down according to the MACD on the 4-hour chart. So we haven't seen it did pop up. It's currently at 32,600, but it hasn't consistently started to churn up, although we are seeing some buy volume on the 4-hour chart. It just hasn't confirmed it on the MACD yet. So exercise some caution yet. Again, nothing I say is financial or investment advice. See the legal disclaimer in the description below. That's basically all I wanted to share with you. I think it could be some good news that we got rid of the Chinese FUD. Hopefully we'll have less opportunity for Chinese FUD in the future. And also, if you're following the Wyckoff model, then we could be seeing a breakout, breakout to the upside. So that's good news. I'm resurrecting my channel after being on hiatus for about 4 years, so I'd appreciate it if you would hit that thumbs up button to help me promote the channel. Also subscribe and help me get out help me promote the channel. Hit the bell notification if you subscribe. I try to produce a new video every couple of days. And also feel free to leave a comment or question down below. I'm going to make a commitment to personally respond to every comment or question in 2021 as a way of growing the channel. I hope this has been of some help to you and yours. All the best, guys.